Hi Stampers! Are you ready to have another card of the winning cards shared with you from the Way to Goat stamp set? So this is the card that I'm going to show you how to make. So, okay. So first of all, just taking our white cardstock and folding that right in half. I know some of you have asked about some of the colors that I'm using, and this color is Bermuda Bay. So we're going to take this and run this through our embossing folder, and this is a new one and is the Tasteful Texture. So it's right here on page 185 of the new catalog. So we're just going to put that in there. And mine has gotten a lot of use, so it's kind of curled a little bit. And that just gives it such a nice texture. It's kind of cool. So, and like I said, we're using the stamp set Way to Goat. And so I'm using my Memento, my black. Pick that up, and we can just do our squares there. Okay, we got that one. And oh, I grabbed the wrong one here, so I gotta get the other one out. So we'll just stick that on there. I just seen this stamp and somebody made a hula skirt, so it's really cute. Just amazing all the fun things that you can do. And I am using Smoky Slate, and I'm going to take the light first and just color that. So this card has the Bermuda Bay and black, and then white are the colors that I use with it. And this one was just a square piece of paper. This is such a cute stamp set. There's another one in the catalog that has zebras, and I'm like, that one is really super cute too. And when I color with these, I kind of go in circles. Mostly if I have some other of the light or the dark in there, and so it blends it really nice. So and then I'm going to use the other end just to get his little legs. And do the same thing with the other one. We had such a good turnout of everybody saying what stamp set they like best. And we still have, our winner has not claimed her stamp set yet. And again, just for anybody, this is a stamp set that we are giving out, and it's to Linda Alexander. So Linda, you have until Wednesday to claim your stamp set. So just send me a private message, and I will need your address so I can send that stamp set off to you. It's kind of fun. I said we'll have to do this again. And if you have placed orders with me before, I am now sending out the holiday catalog. So the holiday catalog will be out pretty soon here, within the next week. They should be receiving them. And there is a lot of really cute sets in there. I know as demonstrators, we get to pre-order. And I pre-ordered. And so I have gotten some stuff. And so I'm going to be making cards. I'm in a couple card swaps. My mother-in-law, she helps me. She puts everything together for me. So I design it and stamp it, and she tapes them together. And I tell you, she's quick, so I have to kind of hurry right along, otherwise she catches up to me. Gives her something fun to do. So I'm just kind of outlining some of the places, you know, kind of gives it just a neat look. Instead of just the blah gray it adds. Okay. I can put these together. And like I said, I am layering this onto the Bermuda Bay. And then right onto the black. And this one, I am just layering just on black. Okay. And this card I'm going to layer onto the black. So this is the glittered organza. I'm just gonna tie a knot. Oops, a little loose there. And the one thing about taping it, I can tape that in the back so I can make up that slack. There. Nobody ever know. Okay, and so I'm putting this one right at the top. And we're going to put this one down at the bottom here. It fits pretty tight there. So then we're going to do a tag. And this is your GOAT, greatest of all time, which is kind of cool. Okay. So we're just going to layer that onto black. And I'm going to put a couple of dimensionals on it. I kind of want to pop it up because it is pretty close there as far as size-wise, and it just would kind of get lost if I kept it the same height. So I'm just going to kind of put them over there. Like I said, it pops it up a little bit. And put some adhesive on the back. Set my ribbon on top of my, you know how it is, you're looking for something and it's right in front of you and it's like, where is it? So here is your card. And again, this was from our contest that we had, the Way to Goat stamp set. And just going to mention one more time, Linda Alexander, this is a stamp set you would be winning. So send me a private message and I will get that stamp set off to you. So here is your card. Hopefully you like it. I mean, it's just really kind of glittery, kind of fun. This is such a fun stamp set. It was kind of fun doing this, having everybody vote on sets. So check out my videos, and if there's any questions that you have, please let me know. I'd be happy to help. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.